Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a very simple nail art video for Valentine's Day. I figured this would be a good way for me to brush up on my basics while also showing a cute look if you're in a rush. After all, we don't always have a long time to do our nails, but still need to look good. So a simple Dotticure is to the rescue. For this look, I'll be using the Out the Door brand creams, White Porcelain, Celine's Jelly Bean, and Casino Royale, Out the Door Glossy Topcoat, and a dotting tool. We are going to get started by painting our index and middle nail in the red cream. This polish in particular is very opaque, so it barely needed 2 coats. I don't even think I showed the second coat on camera. Next, we are painting the ring nail in the baby pink cream and our pinky nail in the white. I don't show it on camera, but the completed look would have my thumb painted in the white as well. I'm starting on the middle nail and will be creating white dots. I usually start off with a line right down the middle, but my line isn't exactly straight down, but more at an angle. In the end, it really doesn't make too much of a difference however you decide to do it. I definitely underestimated how to do simple Dotticures. I rushed it the first time around and it caused a lot of smearing and uneven dots. The best is to take your time and clean your tool after every third dot or so. This way the tool doesn't become bulky and create big, clunky dots as you progress into your mani. Make sure you're also waiting for your base to be completely dry before doing the dots. Otherwise, it will lift as you press down with the tool. I know this is a simple design, but it's easy to overlook things and make something simple into a mess. And the whole point of this design is for it to be quick and easy for anyone to do. On the pink nail, we're going to use the red cream to create the dots in the same way that we did on our other nails. And on the white nail, we're going to use the light pink cream for the dots. And finally, we are sealing off our design with a glossy top coat. 2 things to remember is to wait a good amount of time so that the top coat doesn't smear the dots, but also don't press down too hard with the top coat brush. You want to glide over the nail as lightly as possible. And that's it. I hope you like this design, no matter how simple, and maybe even try it out yourself when you're in a pinch. A Dotticure is a simple but can be a very beautiful design if done right, so don't underestimate this look. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!